When you build, there's no such thing as a small part. Everything matters. That's why we, at Walraven, connect with you and the market to understand your needs. We know how important it is for even the smallest part to do its job properly and make your work easier and more effective. So, we bring in our expertise to provide smart solutions that add value to your work every day. This has been in our DNA since Emma and Jon van Walraven founded our company 4 generations ago. Their philosophy was inspired by small yet smart solutions, like the paperclip, which fascinated Jon for being a simple product and yet so well designed, people use it effortlessly. Though Walraven has gone global since those humble beginnings, we never forgot their insight. Small things can make a huge difference. And so, no matter their size, we think about our products, systems and services incredibly hard, so our customers can use them with the greatest ease. In this way, we create simple yet smart solutions that add value every day. We retain control over our entire process, from concept to manufacturing, services and support, allowing us to be flexible and innovative. We stay true to our founding philosophy, creating value in a smart way, by offering the continuous development of our product systems, share our know-how, think beyond our products, and engage our customers through outstanding services. That matters, for while we might make things, Walraven is about people. This is why we aim to make a sustainable difference by building a multinational with a heart. The key is to always think long-term. That comes naturally to us as a family business. We care deeply about our workers, our innovators, our family. And we care about you, our customers. Therefore, we bring in our expertise to create smart solutions that add value to your work every day and at every level. This is why we are chosen by professionals all over the world, be it to outfit a starter home or build something that touches the sky. Walraven, the value of smart.